Yeah, ain't sweet, ain't funny. Look, it's blue tints on my.
But this don't look like a 7. So it's probably that one.
You got a 7 in these?
I do have it in this.
7?
That's
Okay.
a 7.
She want me, yeah. Ayy, wave. Look, life been lit just high.
I don't know what it is about these. I like them.
I look like stressing, I be finessing, Dolo in my section, built like a blessing.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's MConReezy34 on Tradeblock. I'm here with the folks at Tradeblock at Boston Got Sold. One of the trades I just recently did. Got a pair of Kobe 5 Bruce Lees. I've been hunting those down for a minute. Traded a pair of Concepts Far Outs and a pair of orange skeleton Air Forces. It was a win for both parties, but I think I took the double on that one. Love Tradeblock. Check out the app. Check me out on there. Follow me, and let's get a trade going.
My name's Edmund. I'm from the Tradeblock team. If y'all haven't heard, we started a sneaker trading app a little over a year ago. It's trade only, and we're giving these away. So I'm gonna hand it back to Jonathan, and I just want to say thank you to the Got Sold team.
The winner is number 2436188. We got a winner!
Guy just came up and I asked how to get tickets and I shot. I made like 2 and I downloaded the app, so I got 3 tickets. And my friend, he left like 30 minutes ago and we were gonna take an Uber home, but I was like, for some reason I have a weird feeling I'm gonna win. I waited out and I ended up winning, so that's pretty crazy. Concept Far Outs, yeah, these things are fire. Definitely gonna be wearing these. Thanks Tradeblock for the concept for us.